Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a little bit of a different video. I am doing what I recommend, what I may be picking up during a Sephora Rouge event that Rouge members, that is currently happening right now, where Rouge members is getting 20% off. So I did a small order already. Shocker. Let's keep it this way. I'm almost at like keeping my Rouge status for another year. That is quite embarrassing in a way. So let's dive in. Some of the stuff I recommend. I already own some of the stuff, and some of the stuff might get different. Some of the stuff I will gonna pick up another bottle of because it's on sale, whatnot, and I'm gonna show you what I might be picking up on that I have on my list, or some things it might be type thing. So first thing I'm gonna be want to get into Sephora. I didn't order this online, but I'm picking up the another conditioner, the Briogeo Desert Repair Conditioner. Also gonna be picking up the charcoal wash, and then the deep cleanse at the same time with this stuff. So I recommend this. So I recommend pick up your stuff that you don't like picking up very often, or I've been picking up skincare. So, and then also too is I highly recommend the Velour lashes. I like the Effortless ones by Velour, Effortless lashes by Mini-Me's. The other style I don't recommend the Short but Sweet ones, I think they're called. They fell apart on me within like 2 to 3, I think 3 tries of me trying to like peel the glue off of them, but these ones still going strong. Highly recommend this style. Also, at the same time, Sephora, their in-house collection is 30% off. Pick up their brushes, pick up their lipsticks, pick up their glosses. Skincare, I really like some of their some of their brushes, but I think this one I got my hands on their older ones. I don't think they make this version anymore. No, that's Clio. I got a mix of sort of Sephora collection and all sorts of trying to figure out some of my newest ones from the collection line. That's Clio. I own actually, I don't know if I mentioned this, but if you want Clio brushes in your Canada, the Chameleon Palette is having a 50% off on them, up to 50% off on brushes too at the same time. So, yeah. Oh, you're not found at Sephora. You're Maybelline, but I was meaning to pick up a Tarte. I'm gonna be picking up a new Tarte Shape Tape and possibly a new Koala Brow. Getting the boring things out of the way, like stuff I use all the time. And then I'm not going to be picking up a new one, but I highly recommend you pick up the MAC Paint Pot if you're interested in trying it type thing. So yeah. And then I like using this sucker. This is the Dermaflash. I'm going to be picking up replacement blades, but I had that in my list to pick up. I was going to purchase those on top, but they're out. So I'm going to pick more of these up when I get a chance. So the blades for that. And then I'm not going to might not purchase a new one of this, but I love the scent of the Black Opium. But like I am picking up a new fragrance though. I'm going to let you know which one I'm picking up. What's going to do? I'll unbox some of them when I get the package. So this was actually quite used. I do like YSL's that fragrance though. And then I'm currently been using the Ole Henriksen Strength Triumph Peptide. I use this in the morning and all that stuff. Really recommend this. I've used it a few times, been really enjoying it. And then Lois Blush. It's like my favorite blush, cream blush right now. I've been into a lot of creams lately type thing. currently wearing it right now. So this is my go-to blush. And also too, if you want to pick up like pick your high ticket items, like if you're into like picking up like there is really nothing there right now for me as eyeshadow palettes. Nothing really right now is like catching my eye. But like if you really want to test out Pat McGrath's formula, like your Natasha Dodona palettes, like I picked up the Natasha Dodona Lila palette like half price a while ago, and then you get 20% off that. You get a spoke a deal. I love this. Is a beautiful palette. I highly recommend it. Worn it a few times, and also been back playing with the Natasha or the Huda Beauty Wild palette, the Chameleon palette. This one here. The last few looks with it. Right now I'm wearing a drugstore. So those are the ones I kind of recommend. Then let's go see what I have on my shopping list, that on my Lowe's list that I've been putting aside. So let's go to Sephora. So I got the Kombucha 2-in-1 no rinse probiotic. I might pick that one up. I'm not 100% sure yet. And then I'm waiting for this one to drop. The new Weightless False Lashes from the Sephora line. Waiting for it to drop. It's coming soon. And then this one, I'm good on night creams right now. Might not pick this one up yet, but I am looking into it, like type thing, is the 10% niacinamide night mask. It's a night mask from Pharmacy, it's $54. And I might pick this one up. I'm not 100% sure, guys, because I'm looking at some of the colors I currently own down here. Putting it aside, because I'm not too sure. Because I own some Sephora shadows here, but ballet slippers, ballet shoes. Okay, wait. Because I try to find colors that replicate my from the Sephora collection to make a dupe version of my Tati Beauty palette. So like $11. I think I bought this cheaper when these ones were. So, and then part of me wanted to try the Bloom Cloud 9 PMS oil. It's out of stock. I can see why. Yeah, so. And then Elias Brooklyn Sweet perfume I actually picked up the salt version. I ordered that one. And then I'm thinking of picking up more of the LYS products, like LAYS Triple Fix Brightening Concealer I'm thinking of picking up. And then the Triple Fix Setting Powder and Translucent. That one. I can't remember if it's correct, but it's not. And then the Aim High End Highlighter Powder. Highlight from LAS again. And then the Honey Pharmacy Potion Ceramide Hydration Mask. I might be thinking about that one. And then the Dermaflash. This is what I was talking about by my Dermaflash. I was going to pick up the one with the 3 refillable things, but I wish they could stop adding the Dermaflash cleanser and moisturizer. I was thinking picking up that one, but it's out of stock. I would have ordered that one right off the bat. because that I can only pick up online. And then they did Danessa Matrix Chrome Flakes Gel for eyes and face. I am like not 100% sure I'm gonna try this. The color intrigues me, but like, yeah. And then the Bounce Radiant Skin Tint, because I'm looking for like a tint type thing for like something for the summertime type thing. And then I'm 50-50 on this one. Then the Natasha Denona I Need Rose Cream Lipstick. That one. That color in the shade Pony is the one I kind of have interest in. But again, I'm like, I'm not 100% sure. Like, some things I may just click on it and be like, oh, let me think about it. And then it's like, treats my interest. And then the, I kind of want to pick up another Tarte Amazonian 12 Art one. Because the one I've owned for the longest time, I have to get rid of it because it's old, was Imparte. But I'm like leaning towards like the Bloom one. That one. And then more of the Huda Beauty Liquid Mattes. And then I think this one right here I got. Sweet Talker. I might be thinking of picking up Bombshell maybe. But then again, they all look the same, so I don't know. The one I should have ordered it on, but like probably do another order soon. Is I want to kind of pick up the Frank & Body In Your Dreams Sleep Scrub and Soap. That one. I know I picked up a few things I ordered already, and then the LAS triple thick serum. That one. Like, LAS honestly is not bad pricing. Pretty cheap, on the cheap side for Sephora, so. It's almost like drugstore. It's like, for that pricing on some things, I'm like looking at them, it's like almost like I could pay $20 or something and not be on sale from Physicians Formula. And then No Limits Matte Bronzer. I don't know if I'm gonna pick that one because I've been enjoying the cream bronzers lately. Unless it's cream, then it might be a different story. Yeah, it's a powder finish, so I might not get it. And then Youth to the People Superberry Drink Cleansing. That one, I'm trying to pick up another cleansing balm. Right now, the one I'm using by Verse. I like it, but I don't like it. So. And then some Inky-less Ionox Serum, and then the Glow Recipe. That one, the watermelon one. There's a part of me wants to try it, but there's a part of me that I feel like some things with Glow Recipe, I find, honestly, is like when I see it on TikTok or anywhere, is it actually going to be really good? Or is it just because it's overhyped because a certain influencer on TikTok likes it? So, because, yeah. That's what I'm thinking of picking up, and then what I actually ordered is, so I'm picking up, because there's something that, because I clicked it because it's no longer, I'm picking up the Pharmacy 10% on waterless vitamin C serum. The current vitamin C serum I'm using right now, I'm not a huge fan of it because it's from the Inky list and I find it too watery, so yeah, I'm not a huge fan because I find it too watery, so. And then I'm picking up the more colors of the Sephora collection of the waterproof eyeliner. I know I got it right here somewhere. I don't know where it is. Oh, nope. Nope, not you. Here they are. This one right here, I got the purple one, but I'm picking up brown. My nose is itchy. And then I'm picking up the salt version of it. So salt of the Alice Brooklyn. It's a fresh scent. So I'm looking for something like nice, fresh, summery fragrance for the summer type thing. So like right now, I'll wear the vanilla scent whole one. This is more like a fallish scent. It's like barely been used because it's like brand new still. And then this is my go-to for like the summer, my winter's fragrance type thing. And then, where are you? No, you're not there. Because I also have that beach one too from, it's not there. I have no idea where it is, but beach wave one from, you got Paprika, I think it's called. And then also I'm picking up another Essence. Is it an Essence I'm picking up? Yeah, I think it's an Essence. And then I'm picking up a glycolic essence from Clodeline. Don't judge me, I paid $67 for it. So that's some of the stuff I'm picking up, some of the stuff I recommend. And yeah. Yeah, also if you can pick something up like this for like, I use this thing a lot too for eyelash applications. So yeah, if you want more videos like this, I post new videos So I was quickly looking at my video and I was cut off at my sign off. So let you guys know, I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday at 10 AM PST. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to ring a bell, and I hopefully see you guys. Bye! Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So this is going to be a little bit of a different video of the Sephora event going on. 20% off into the heart and what the Sephora